Okay, students of class 9th, chapter 1, matter in our surrounding. This chapter we have studied and completed this chapter. Now today we will discuss horse question. Only one question we will discuss in this section. Okay, so see this. Here is a graph. Okay, so graph between temperature. This is temperature and time. So this is a graph temperature versus time. Okay, so on the basis of graph we will we have a answer questions. So from the graph answer the following. These are the 4 or 5 questions is there. Now see, question number 1, you can see first I'll make you the graph. What is graph? This is temperature, this is a time with respect to. Now see, it is as A, this is solid. Now gradually it is going to convert. Okay, temperature increases. Now at this point what is happening? This is a straight line, means without, it is a state changing without a state at this temperature, means solid is converting into the liquid without change in temperature. So this is known as latent heat of fusion. Okay, so latent heat of fusion is there, A1 to V1. This is a process, there is no change in the temperature. So point number 1, this is a. So this A dot indicates it is a solid. Okay, here is a state where the state of a solid is going to convert into the liquid. Now this is B point. Okay, B point, it is a point. At this point this may be solid or liquid. Alright, now at B1 point completely liquid. So after C temperature increases, C point, right? So point number 1, this C, and it is going to convert D1 and D point and D2. So point number C, very simple. This is a C. Okay, C. This is liquid state, and it is gradually temperature is not changing. And here concept is using latent heat of vaporization. Okay, so D1 to D2. So this is a graph, phase is changing. So these are a heating curve. We can say this is a heating curve. Okay. Now on the basis of this graph, okay, so 2 processes involving here, in this case latent heat of fusion, and in this case means the concept of latent is very when 1 unit of solid converts into the liquid without change in temperature. This is known as latent. Latent means hidden heat. Okay, temperature is constant and still change is state is changing. So here is seen. Second case D1 to D2. So it is going to liquid convert into the gas. So latent heat of vaporization, same concept is here. So this is a graph. Now see what is the question. Question number 1. What is the base physical state? Right? What is the physical state of A? A, here A is this. So A physical state is solid. Okay. Now in asking B, this is our B. So in this state we told you earlier it may be solid or liquid. It may be solid or liquid. Now at C point it is completely liquid state. Liquid state. Alright. Now you see here D. So D is a state, very simple. D is a state that is at this state, this is also liquid or gas state. Okay, liquid or gas state. Okay children, see, this is clear. Now D point is where both liquid or gas state, and here this is also a solid or liquid state. Now it is C point, it is completely, we can see C point is completely liquid state, right? So we can write this is a liquid state. Already answer is there. So here we have got the answer A, B, C, D. Very simple. Now question number B. See, what is the melting point of substance? So see in this graph where solid is, what is the concept of melting? Means solid converts into the liquid. That is, this is a A1 state. Okay, So here A is going to this A. At temperature is asking, that is a 15 degrees Celsius. So answer is this. What is the melting point? Answer of this part is 15 degrees Celsius. This is the answer of this. Now question next, what is its boiling point? Boiling points means when liquids boiled. To see, this is a D1 state. Okay, so here liquid boils. So this is a graph you can see, and this temperature is given 110. So what is its boiling point? Same concept. Answer is 110 degrees Celsius. So this is done. Now next, which portion of the graph indicates the changes of state is taking place? Changes of state is taking place. See, here very simple case, A1 B1. Second case, D1 D2. Here solid converts into liquid. Here liquid is converting into the gas, D1 D2. So point answer in this case here you can write that is A1 B1, A1 B1 and D1 D2. This is the state is changing. Change of state is taking place, A1 B1. Now name the terms used for heat absorbed during the change of state involved in our process. Okay, so heat absorbed means this is a liquid. When any liquid converts into the gas, so liquid absorb heat, then it gets converts into the gas. So that is means D1 D2 or A1 E2. Here also heat is absorbed, then solid converts into the liquid. So two cases, A1 B1 and D1 D2. So here answers we can write. So I am indicating here A1 B1. This is known as latent heat of fusion. Okay, next this D1 D2. This is known as latent heat of vaporization. Okay, latent heat of vaporization. So children, so again this is a very interesting question, and it's okay, it is a basic application of concept. That is why children this question is clear. So make sure, right? So okay, is this way. Now we will see you again children. Thank you.